Achiwi Kamadaya Paubi. Ragra state election we seat Hangtok Cycle ruling party BJP na contest Sarada Laidale. Election Commissioner authorized Saghai media persons being posted ballot facility Shijin Baira Chihaya. Zingsho katam Naulong Executive Council Pungvu ang red pay how the 2022 to 2024 wibang 48 general election tarik magada taruk tang sagida lay. Lay kaya Thor. Aja the Tangkhul Express we pau Chungsangla Jajo ina pami dalay. Pau bing may say na nganangumsa. Ragra state election we seat Hangtok Cycle ruling party BJP na contest Sarada Laidale. Kala BJP leader Manipur state election co-in-charge Ashok Singhal na kahang thaga BJP na pre-poll alliance wivangla ngasandale. Langkawak state or Kali BJP we Ali National People's Party na party katayli khangshik malaygi gachi mongay na Laidale. NPB National President Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma kahang NPB na candidates tumralang da finalized sahir. BJP Ali NPF la party ngashik vara mavamara kaji tweetak mataranga. Election Commissioner authorized Saghai media persons being postal ballot facility shijinda atumwi khan med post ena miwa paira chihir. Reader postal ballot hi karnaw zingum hangtishat atung person with disability la COVID-19 patients ping na Shijin Baira the commission china kamaya mihai gasana. Postal ballot facility in a khanmet mikhawai application returning officially form 12D misang laga application ji nodal officer na verify saming saki kajina da chief electoral officer Punjab S Karuna Raju na hang. Polling zimik short duty later ijachawi polling stations li malay sagi kaji absentee voters categories li kazang pingla postal ballot shichin kapaina. Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Food Corporation of India, All India Radio, Doordarshan, Post, Telegraph, Railways, BSNL, Power Health, Fire Services, kala Civil Aviation hipping li kazang duty lay kasaping la Essential Service Voters sada postal ballot aina kanmet mipaya da ECI na hang. Zingsho katam Naulong Executive Council Pungvu ang red pay how the 2022 to 2024 wivang 48 general election Ragra tarik magada taruk tang sagida lay. Zingsho katam Naulong with 48 general election ji Shungri Village Community Holy Sara. Election Chile President, Vice President, Speaker kala DY Speaker hipping we otpam wivang mi kapang sangi gachina. Chiwirang candidates ng sakaway graduate now ng saplungra, shimapan ng gaja yaron ng la saplungra, riyan we attitude political party li enrollment makalaya ming saplungra. Village headman ay na unit president with no objection certificate zang palungra da, zingsho katam Naulong with chief election commissioner with shongay na pau sa mga. Election Chiwivang unit kachivana mingning list misang kawai aji witai magara katum aina tangda atam midalay. Migasang taran Aadhaar card copy Chile unit president na attested salaga misang palungreda hang. Election tangba submit Saghai identity card original aina ng soda vote ka sarachi. Zingsho katam Naulong general election we form issue kasa aji witai magara aina tangra. Nomination we kanawa zimik shona aji with tarik makura akana. Withdrawal kanawa zimik shona tarik makura katum. Scrutiny makura mati thang sara laga election aji we makura tarukli vasaki kichina. Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections wivang BJP na candidates shaka tarada aga kabangui hire. Chile sitting MLAs makura kadali party ticket makamina chia. Sitting MLA li ticket makamihi Kai kana zingum hangshni da phanga langa hai la maram akanava anti-incumbency factor la zangachi. BJP Manipur we candidates list kare ngaran hai kala ticket makada phanga we alungli shock mi haula bai da pau akana hanga. Hengang Thongju Kairao Nambol Mayang Imphal Singjamai Langthabal Lamshang Saitu Saikot Thobal Wangjing Tentha, Mayang Imphal Kalap, Hianglam Assembly constituencies with candidates list J, Vaushokri Lapaida, Pauchin Hang. State Hilila Ajagum Tarau Tarik Tarada Turk Aina Hapogda Ajahon Tarik Tarada Panga Aina Tangdahi COVID vaccine Kap Kahai Mi 23 lakh 86,700 Kashung Hairichi Chiwing Chili 10 lakh 19,282 na dose kire Kap Kahai Kala 10 lakh 19,282 na dose Kani Paida Kap Kahai na Chi Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur with official website Atishur State Li Khanmet Migi Gijimi Machine 19,68,476 Kalena Chiwing Charlie 8,55,657 Mayarnauna 10,12,655 na Shinauda Ajawili Khanmet Migi Jihi Shinauna Jungkamena Transgender Khanmet Migi Giji Shaka Hungtok da Mati Kadale Polling kare hi rag jang we tarik makura shinili sagi gajina nganai lak haira election mrarang lakhawi alung hili state health department authority na khanmet miran psychorally covid arika mishap niga mirani khala gajila khanghan sadale la khabak jingum tharada phanga aina tharada shinili covid arika mi phogda zimik sho tharada kathumwi alungli tibop now being 16,171 covaxin vaccine dose kare kap khui haira chia Zingum Tarada Panga Aina Tarada Shini Li Kale Mi 1,74,000 Li COVID Arika Mikawai State Chokan Rinda Kalena. Tangkhul Naga Film Association TNFA with yearly assembly Ragra Maroon February with Tarik Magada Kanithang Langjin Sahara Kazib Chi TNFA office Wino Bazar Ukhrul Sara Atam Nang Thorbung Tarada Aka TNFA members Kachivana Kotomida Kazib Chili Razang Milu Gajihi Association Jina Saklak Aina Nghotalai Ukhrul District Timber Association with President Speaker Kala Deputy Speaker Kabanga Kawai General Election Aji with Tarik Tumrada Akali Langjin Sahir Otpam Pingji 2022-2024 Pungawai Wivangna Ukhrul District Timber Association General Election with Nomination Paper Issue Gasahi Aji with Tarik Tarada Chiko Aina Magada Akawi Alungli Sara Nomination Paper Migasang Atamli Atamna Ajawi Tarik Makada Kani Aina Makada Matiwi Alungli Sara Nomination paper May Kamanana Tarik Makada Taruk Tang Sara Kala withdrawal Tarik Makada Chiko Tang Sara Ukhrul District Timber Association General Election Ji Ajawi Tarik Tamrada Akatang Motor Pung Tara Aina Ngushun Pungutum Aina Tang da Sara da Association Ji with Chief Election Commissioner Hobson Horam na Pau Mia R&D Institute and Aviation Academy Litam Kawai work in interview Sagid Laidale International Air Hostess Airport Operational Staff Kala Ground Handling Higata Wivang Training Kami Kajang Chishadwi Course Institute Chili Migi Gachina Aviation Industry Li Ot Sakangai Nauping Li Institute China Yang Sangmida 99% Placement Assistance Record Laya Chia Ningasang Nauping na Mingjan Sakvai 70059704770 Maningaka 8132092225 la 936210661 li call kala message sava paira training course chi class 12 kup kahai nauping na zanga paina hang de kalai wewang work in interview chi aji witai makada mati thang sara atam nang thor pung chiko aina ngazin pung mati aina tang da sara Apam na Shalom Cafe Wino Bazar Ukhrul. Hiwiwang Mingjan Sakwai Ajawitar Makada Kani Aina Tangda Atam Midale. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy wi Office Hi Singjame Yumnam Laikai Opposite Imo Filing Li Kalaina. Kalechi Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na recognize Samikai Institute na Chia. India with COVID-19 vaccine drive zingum aga kapai uda drive chili ot ngurut khui ka hai mi psychorally Prime Minister Narendra Modi na khaya ka shi phongshok haire. Health Minister officials na kajithai athishur da India li 156.76 crore vaccine doses mi haire. Now adult Mishingly 92% COVID RG dose akamangla kapui haire kala 68% dose pay da kap haire da hang. Mimau how kupogli Agchiwi maram mathada mathailala ngalay hui kathem scientists innovators ping na hot nada India nala vaccine semshok da mimauli khangasungli sharuk khimi ka highway wang maya lakka da PM Modi na phongshoka COVID-19 khangasungli sarkar wi vaccination program na kamakun ngarum sangmi kala chiwi manga aina mirin kan ka khui kala langphai khwai ka sali inga khami samang haira da PM na hang Mimau kangarurli India we approach atam kachida science li pan laga sara kala richum now ping ne care mathalak samang kawai health infrastructure la mathasang sak kawai sada leida PM na hang sanga India we vaccination drive zingum aga ka pai we ringapha Union Home Minister Amit Shah na phong shok da sarkar aina yarwi na ngashik da sa gashapchi aji India na ogathwili chithai haira da hang Scientists, health workers, COVID warriors, psychorally Amit Shah na congratulate Sahara. Latluida ajiwi kamadaya paubing. Ragra state election we seat hangtok psychorally ruling party BJP na contest sara that laidale. Election Commissioner authorized high media persons being posted ballot facility shijin baira chihaya. Zingsho katam now long Executive Council pungvu ang red pay how the 2022 to 2024 we wang 48 general election tarik magada tharuktung sagida laya. Aji we pau hena ngachang haira nganadak la intum zai koreli kamahaya zimik shok ngasa serna.